Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another daily vlog, another beautiful nature walk. We are in a different local park today. There's so many. We're finding so many these days. We've got our Bootsy with us, and we are ready to explore. There is so much to see. It's another stunning day outside. It's literally like 75 degrees, like actual perfect weather. I wasn't sure if maybe I would need like a little sweater because in the shade it's a little bit cool even. But I think we are going to do just fine. We're starting it off here, going across this little bridge. There's also a creek, so we're gonna get ready to head over there, and then behind us there's a little ways back, there's like a rose garden, it looks like, so we will definitely be checking that out. There is just so much to see. I'm already seeing so much. Ooh, it looks like there's a trail that goes back there. I'm not too keen yet on just like full trails, but we'll get there. Let's start off at this gorgeous river. It's not even a creek. It's a river. This is a proper river back here. So let's start off down here and see what we see. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. Look at these trees. I just recently learned that there's actually a word for that thing that I love, where the sunlight is filtering through the leaves of trees, and it's just absolutely stunning. It's called dappling. Apparently it's called dappling, or a dapple. Isn't that a lovely word? And there's actually another word, it's like a Japanese word for that. I'm gonna look it up and hopefully share some more info like that in some of my later vlogs, because I just think it's the coolest thing that like there's a word for that, because I just recently was saying I can't get over just that beautiful sight of like the sun filtering through the leaves of trees, especially when it's just so green like it is around here. And turns out, what do you know, there's a word for it. So I don't know if you can look through there. Let's go down here, buddy. Look at this beautiful spot. Oh my gosh, the way the sun is just coming through here. Let's go down here, buddy. We're definitely gonna have to do a tick check when we get home. But you can see there's the river. Isn't this so cool, buddy? Yeah. Bootsy. Isn't this so cool, Billy Boots? Yeah. It's beautiful here. And there's like a waterfall in there. I don't know if there's a better spot to see it. We'll try. Well, this is actually like a little creek, a little trail right here. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Don't go too far, buddy. Come here. There we go. Now we can see. Ooh, and you can smell it too. Okay, buddy, get out of there. You need to go a little closer. Look at that. Very cool. This really is. Come on, buddy, let's keep going. I just love this little spot. This would be an awesome spot for a picnic. The way the sun comes through here. Up the hill, buddy. Let's go. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So I wonder if there's like a little bridge at all. No, it doesn't look like it. So the sign that we were just passing basically said that this park was created for like workers to get relief from city living. Isn't that thoughtful? Ooh, look, it's a flock of geese. Wow. Come here, Boots. I seem to remember something about geese and dogs and them not always getting along. Something like that. Oh my gosh, and it's all of their ducklings. Okay, buddy, we gotta stay far away, because they might attack us, to be honest. Because they've got all the babies. Oh, look at that. Boy, what a day. There's so many. We can stand back from here. Maybe they won't notice. I won't get too upset. There's like nothing but babies over there. A whole group of them. So cool. They might get angry. Come on, Boots. Whoop. Come on. So it looks like we're coming to the end of this trail. Oop. Bentley, you're kind of all over the place today. You're a little worked up. Maybe we should sit down on this bench for a little bit. Come on, Bentley. Come here. Gotta get out the way. Hi. Gotta get out the way, buddy. Okay, now you can go walk around. Oh, it smells so fresh around here. Look at all those baby geese. You probably can't see them this far away. I just don't want to get too close because they've got all the babies and they might get a little nervous because of Bootsy. Even though Bootsy is a sweetie, he wouldn't hurt a fly. Whoops. We gotcha. You're okay. Let's take a little. Oh, there's actually a duck over there. Like, that's like a duck. Like a proper duck, not a goose. Oh, this is such a pretty spot. Oh, there he goes. Oop, he's down into the water. Bentley scared him off a little bit, but look how pretty that is. This is gorgeous. Oh, there he is. He's in the water now. We can go a little closer. You gotta watch. There's actually, I think that's duck poo. Geese poo out here. There he goes. What a lovely spot. Bootsy. Bootsy. Bentley Boots? Hey, Bootsy. a beautiful, beautiful spot. It's just gorgeous around here. The sun is just filtering through the trees. It's dappling. Oh, look, more geese. They're coming this way. Just getting a couple more pictures here because this is such a... Oh, look, they're coming this way. Wait. Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see that butterfly? That's a cute picture, Betty. Alright, let's head back. Uh-oh, the geese are on the move. Well, we have certainly seen a lot in this short little walk. That was just such a pretty little scene. I can't wait to I'll be making a reel about that because that was just such a picturesque little scene. But guys, actually, I'm going to end this today and pick back up. I didn't even make it to the rose garden that's further in the back. There's like a rose garden, so we'll have to come back and do that a different day because it is a little warm out here and I'm always concerned about making sure that Bentley stays nice and cool. So we will come back and do that next time. Look at all of these gorgeous trees. I'll be doing a little bit of research on what these local trees are. So far, I've heard about, I've learned about, there's lots of Japanese maple trees in this area. And also, oh boy, I don't know how we're going to get past this group of geese because I feel like they might get angry because of Bentley. Alright guys, I better end it here. See you guys next time. We'll see how this goes. I need to concentrate. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.